Hey everyone, JP Hunt, President at InkSoft and Graphics Flow here to deliver an important message. Now the InkSoft team, along with our new friends at Printavo, we've collaborated to develop a free fundraising kit that's complete and turnkey. Now this fundraising kit is really important. This is meant to support those that are in desperate need due to the humanitarian crisis that's unfolding before our eyes in the Ukraine. So really, this is the answer to the question, what can we do to help those that are in need? So this fundraising kit is complete and turnkey, and this is likely the single most important marketing kit that we've created. So let me kind of break down what's involved in this free kit and how to best utilize it. Now we're going to start with the actual fundraising kit. And what's involved here is this is complete turnkey professional marketing copy that you can use to activate your customers and your local community. Now there's messaging in different voices. So there's business, professional, casual and friendly, serious and somber. So we prepare this in these different voices so you have targeted messaging for different, say, customers. Now there's no hard fast rule here, meaning you can take the content we've written, and again, this is from a professional copywriter's perspective, and feel free to alter and edit it to be in your brand voice, or to be appropriate for your maybe geographic area. So nonetheless, this is truly copy and paste. You can modify it. There's different subject line options here for email's sake. So you get email copy and you also get social media copy. So this allows you to, again, take to social, take to email marketing to, again, activate your community to participating in raising awareness and raising money for those that are in need desperately. So the other component of this marketing kit we're really excited about. We've designed some hero space images, and these are banners that you can use on an InkSoft powered online store to, again, just be a centerpiece to that particular store. So these are available in Adobe Illustrator templates, so you can customize these. We give you different versions. I also want to call out that beyond the store banners, we also provide social media graphics in different formats. So again, there's different versions of this. They come in Adobe Illustrator. You're free to modify and tweak these to be appropriate for your particular brand and your audience. Now the last component of this marketing kit, so we've talked about professional marketing copy, online store banners and hero space images that you can use, social media assets. The last component of this marketing kit that's really important is we took to our art team on Graphics Flow and challenged them to develop some turnkey vector-based production-ready graphics that can be used to, again, raise awareness and draw attention to, again, this crisis. So you'll get 9 royalty-free vector graphics that you can edit, you can modify, or you can just simply deploy straight away that will help in your efforts to get to market quickly and stand up your fundraising stores to begin to raise money as fast as possible. So a few other things to consider. We definitely would recommend looking at organizations that are certified and that are highly praised and legitimate as it relates to channeling donations to. Again, what we learned from the Here for Good campaign, one of the best practices that emerged was offering a $20 premium product like a t-shirt, and offering $10 from every sale will go to support the charity that you've selected. So there's some autonomy here in terms of 100% donation, so all proceeds raised. Maybe this is your way to make an impact, to contribute cost and sort of the overhead involved in decorating these particular garments and contributing all of those monies, or of course it can be a portion of the funds that you raise. So we're really excited to see what you can do and what you can do in your local community to, again, raise money and awareness for, of course, a very important humanitarian cause right now. Now, we'd love to hear from you. So if you have success, if there's something that you're doing that's getting tremendous results, and you'd like to share that with the communities at large, we'd love to hear from you and be able to spread that information and those insights to do the best we possibly can for, again, what is a very important cause right now. So make sure to channel feedback or insights or the success that you're having with this particular campaign, and you can send that directly to me. I'd love to hear from you, jphunt@inksoft.com. Well, it's our hope that you can take this and you can run with it and do some good in the world.